Hi everyone, welcome to my lecture 7, finding length of the loop. So in the previous videos we have seen two, right? Detecting loop and finding start node of loop. So by using these two we are going to find the length of the loop. So it's very simple, it's not that complex. So let's take the same example which we took before. So yeah, this one, and this one. Okay, so now previously we have found how we can find the start node, right? Okay, so now by using the start node we're going to find the length of the loop. So now let's keep a temp pointer which is pointing to start node, okay, which is equals to start node, and let's keep a count equals to 0, right? And now we'll make one hop at a time. So let's say now we move a pointer here, that means temp will point here and we'll increment the count to 1, and a new hop, and we'll add the 1, and we'll new hop and we'll make 1, and we'll add one more and we'll have 1, right? So the length is 1 2 3 4, so the length of the loop is 4. And now when our temp pointer is again equals to the start node, then that means we have traversed the entire loop, right? So we have traversed the entire loop and reached the end, which is the start node. So in this way we can find the length of the loop. So if you haven't seen my detection of loop or finding the start node of the loop, you can watch them and come here so that you'll get a better understanding what I'm talking about. So let's jump into the coding session. So we have seen the explanation of finding the length of the loop. So let's see how we can write the code for it. So it's simple, same as slow and fast, and we'll initialize the length to 0, and we'll loop here and we'll go 2 hops forward. If slow equals to fast, then that means we have found the loop, and then later we'll find the starting node. After finding the starting node, then we'll keep a pointer as temp pointer which will be pointing to slow dot next. So from here the initial length will be the initial length will be 1. So that means you have at least one node, right? If even the slow is pointing to itself, then that means also it has a length 1. So we'll initialize to length 1, and we'll loop again until the temp pointer is equals to slow, and we'll increment value of length. Slow will be slow dot next, so which have done a small wrong here. So we can, it's actually not slow, it's actually temp pointer, right? We are incrementing the temp pointer, not the slow. And in this way, so like we are incrementing the temp pointer to temp pointer dot next, and then the slow is equals to temp pointer, then you can simply return the length. So in this way you can implement the code for length of the loop. I think you understood how we can find the length of the loop, and I hope you like my videos. So make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubts you can post it in comments, I'll be replying there. So yeah, let's meet in next session. Until then, bye bye.